You put them on a shiny surface and you...
What is that?
It's the raccoon.
That is not a dead raccoon.
What is it then?
That's your cat.
Oh.
Want a bite of my bacon, egg, and cheese?
I'm okay, thank you.
Aww. Ah! Make one more step and you are gonna be living on the streets. You got it? Mikey the bitch.
Bro, I can't even take a deuce in peas, bro.
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh.
Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up?
High five. Good boy. That was a high 10.
Who would you save in a burning building, me or Kenzie?
You?